Salamat po sa inyong support, alam niyo po. Kasi po, kung hindi dahil sa kanila guys, hindi po ako walang Kenneth Katambars na umiiyak sa harapan nyo ngayon. Community sa buong paligid dyan. At sa lahat po sa inyo guys na mga sumusuporta, maraming salamat po, 34M. Thank you. Ayan po. So, welcome po muna ang ating KJTV ng Dark Angel. KJTV! Welcome po, Miss KJTV Dark Angel. Thank you.
Hello, Malala. Ito naririnig nyo?
Okay na. Ayan, okay na. Okay na.
Baby, won't you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. You're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said. There is something left in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong. We're lasting for so long, but I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go. Lukiana, mag-alab shout out. You were never satisfied, no matter how I try. Now you wanna say goodbye to me. Ay, sige na. Love is one big illusion. Ano ba yan? Na-robot ba yung sound? You're kissing, the feeling so strong. We're lasting for so long, but I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know, yes I know. Sitting here all alone in the middle of nowhere, don't know which way to go. Nalaglag tuloy yung mic ko. There ain't so much for you, there ain't so much for me. Mega love shout out, 26 million in the house. Steve Music Zone, mega love shout out. The way you're kissing, feeling so strong. We're lasting for so long, but I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know. That's why you go away. I know. Si Kenneth, ano ba? Magandang shoutout, Marlon Rex Ladaw. Okay lang yung sound?
Ang galing talaga. Hindi ko naman robot eh.
Ay, hindi robot. Oh, sige. Oh, side B. Para goodbye na. Magandang shoutout sa lahat, guys. Basta
mga lalabs. Thank you so much po.
Ayun, ayun, Dark Angel, sana all. My first love never dies. Sino kaya yung first love na never dies na yun? Kailan ka ba huling umibig at sino ba at bakit hindi siya mawala-wala sa iyong puso, Miss Dark Angel? If you don't want, you can share to us yung mga pangyayari mo sa buhay na hindi mo makakalimutan, yung first love mo, ganun. Oo. Ayun po. Ayun po. Ha?
Ito, alam mo kaya?
Ay, ang sarap pa naman ang sagot niya pero hindi ko siya naiintindihan, hindi ko siya narinig.